A pop-up message will let you know when it's time to descale your Oracle. Even if you have used the provided water filter, we recommend you descale if there is a scale buildup in the water tank. The entire descale process will take approximately 1.5 hours, and if you have just finished using your machine, please allow the machine to cool for at least 1 hour before starting the descaling process. With the machine off, press and hold the 1 cup button. Then, press and hold the power button together for 3 seconds. rSet will appear on the LCD. Rotate the select dial until dESC appears. Then press the dial to enter descale mode. First, you will need a small, long, flathead screwdriver. Remove the gray silicone cover to access the descale valves. Then, place a cloth over the drip tray to stop steam from escaping. Unscrew the right valve anti-clockwise until the valve is fully open and venting steam. Once the water stops flowing into the drip tray, re-screw the valve clockwise. Unscrew the left valve anti-clockwise until the valve is fully open and venting steam. Once the water stops flowing into the drip tray, re-screw the valve clockwise. Empty the drip tray, but be careful, it might be hot. Then also empty the water tank and remove the water filter. Add descaling powder to the water tank. Then fill the tank with 1 liter of water and reinsert into the machine. Then reinsert the drip tray to continue the descaling cycle. Press the 1 cup button, where the machine will fill the boilers with descaling solution and heat to temperature. This process will take around 20 minutes with a timer on the LED. Once the timer reaches 0, place a cloth over the drip tray and empty the boilers by unscrewing and re-screwing the right and left valves again in order. Next, empty the drip tray and reinsert back into the machine. Empty any solution in the water tank and rinse thoroughly before filling with clean water to the max line and reinsert. Press the 1 cup button to clean the machine with fresh water. This process will again take around 20 minutes to complete. As the timer reaches 0, place a cloth over the drip tray and again repeat the unscrewing and re-screwing of valves to empty the boilers. Then, empty the drip tray and water tank. To avoid any residual of the descaling solution being released from the boilers, we will need to flush the boilers again. Simply fill your water tank with clean water to the max line, reinsert it into the machine, then press the 1 cup button to begin flushing. Once the 20 minutes flushing is completed, empty the boilers by unscrewing and re-screwing the valves. Then, empty the drip tray, reinsert the water filter back into the water tank, and refill it to the max line. Press the power button to exit descale mode. You have now completed the descaling process.